Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the full 2025 guide on how to use Zoho Project for customer support management. Let's kick things off by logging into your Zoho Project account. This is your first port of call and the gateway to managing your customer support effectively. Now that we've done that, navigate to the Projects tab. This is where you'll be able to oversee all your ongoing customer support tasks. Next up, create a new project specifically for customer support. The reason we do this is to keep all related tasks in one place, making it easier to manage. Click on New Project, name it something like Customer Support, and set the project's start and end dates. This helps us because it creates a dedicated space and timeline for all customer support activities. Once your project is set up, it's time to add tasks. Click on Add Task within your customer support project. Let me explain why this matters. Each task represents an individual customer issue or query. By adding and tracking these tasks, you ensure no customer query falls through the cracks. Remember to assign each task to a team member and set a deadline. This is important as it ensures accountability and timely resolution of customer queries. Now let's look at the Issues tab. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When customers report issues, they appear here. So, it's crucial to regularly check this tab and turn these issues into tasks for resolution. The reason we do this is to provide customers with prompt solutions and enhance their experience with your brand. Last but not least, use the Reports feature. This generates insightful data about your customer support performance. Keep an eye on metrics like task completion rate and average resolution time. These figures are critical in assessing your team's efficiency and identifying areas for improvement. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage Zoho Project for your customer support management efficiently. Remember, the key is to keep your tasks organized, address issues promptly, and review your performance regularly. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe for more handy tutorials and tips. Until next time, keep your customers happy and your project streamlined.